Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of key pain at home in just few days. Key pain may be the result of an injury, medical condition including arthritis, gouts and infection also can cause key pain. Many types of minor key pain respond well to self-care measures. But you don't need to still worry. In this video I wanna show you how you get rid of key pain in just few days permanently. This amazing remedy helps you to get rid of key pain. To make this magical remedy we will require few ingredients such as apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an acidic in nature. Apple cider vinegar used for reducing key pain. You can mix a 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar into the cup of filtered water and sip this mixture throughout the day or night, or drink it daily before going to bed. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper may the natural painkiller for achy joints and muscles. Cayenne pepper is the active ingredient in many over-the-counter treatments for arthritis and muscles pain. Ginger. Taking ginger extract helps to reduce key pain upon standing and after walking. Overall reported side effects were primarily limited to the mind discomfort. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need first ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the container. The next amazing ingredient is cayenne pepper. We just add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper into the container. In the last we need ginger to the mixture. We just add few ginger peas into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe the channel for further amazing video. Thank you.